Warmco WarmPrime M2, 5000 mAh hand warmer. Winter is upon us, and the need for effective portable warmth is greater than ever. Enter the Warmco WarmPrime M2, 5000 mAh hand warmer, a compact and versatile gadget designed to keep your hands cozy while offering additional utility. With its innovative design and high-tech features, this product aims to make cold weather adventures more comfortable. Let's dive into the details. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing. The Warmco WarmPrime M2 was an effortless and enjoyable experience. The package was thoughtfully designed, ensuring that all components were securely packed. Inside the box, we found 2 Warmco WarmPrime M2 hand warmers, 5000 mAh each, 1 USB-C charging cable, 1 user manual, 1 soft storage pouch. Each hand warmer was neatly protected with foam inserts to avoid any damage during transit. The inclusion of a storage pouch is a nice touch, making it easy to carry the warmers on the go. The compact size and sleek design of the devices immediately impressed, setting the stage for an exciting user experience. Design and build. The Warmco WarmPrime features a unique magnetic design that allows the 2 units to attach seamlessly or be used independently. The hand warmers are compact, 3.7 by 1.18 by 1.18 inches, and lightweight, 0.26 pounds each, making them perfect for pockets or holding comfortably in your hands. The matte black finish with subtle branding gives the device a modern and stylish look. Features: customizable temperature settings. Choose from 3 heat settings: low, 104 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit; 9 hours medium, 113 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit; 7.5 hours high, 122 to 136 degrees Fahrenheit; 5.5 hours. Dual functionality. Beyond keeping your hands warm, the WarmPrime M2 doubles as a power bank, capable of charging devices via its USB-C output. With a 5000 mAh capacity per unit, it can charge most smartphones 1.5 times, making it a versatile winter accessory. Safe and convenient charging. Equipped with advanced safety features, the hand warmers prevent overcharging and overheating, ensuring a worry-free experience. The USB-C 10-watt fast charging capability means you can recharge the warmers efficiently. Durable build. The device is crafted from high-quality materials that feel durable, yet lightweight. It's built to withstand outdoor activities, making it ideal for hiking, skiing, or even everyday commutes. Performance. Using the Warmco WarmPrime was an absolute pleasure. The rapid heating feature kicks in within seconds, offering immediate relief in freezing conditions. The 3 heat settings allowed us to find the perfect level of comfort for different situations. On the go, the magnetic feature proved handy, keeping the warmers together when not in use. The power bank functionality worked flawlessly, charging devices quickly and efficiently. Whether in the office or on a winter hike, these hand warmers provided consistent warmth and reliability. Conclusion. The Warmco WarmPrime M2 5000 mAh hand warmer are a must-have for anyone looking to stay warm and connected during the colder months. Its innovative magnetic design, long-lasting battery life, and dual functionality make it stand out in the crowded market of hand warmers. Whether you're commuting, hiking, or simply braving the cold, the WarmPrime M2 is a reliable companion. Its combination of practicality, style, and performance ensures that your winter days will be warmer and more comfortable. For those seeking the perfect blend of warmth and utility, the Warmco WarmPrime M2 is an excellent investment. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.